Psyche was goddess of the heart and soul. She married Eros, the son of Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. But before that, Aphrodite became very jealous of Psyche. Let me tell you the story. Originally, Psyche was human. Even though she was just a human, she was so beautiful that everyone who saw her said she was even more beautiful than Aphrodite. People stopped going to Aphrodite's temple. Instead, they brought flowers and gifts to Psyche. Soon, Aphrodite's temple became quiet and empty. Watching this, Aphrodite finally became furious. To punish Psyche, she called her son Eros.
Eros, shoot that arrogant Psyche with your arrow of love. Make her fall in love with the ugliest man in the world.
Eros was the god of love. Anyone who was struck by his arrow would fall deeply in love. So he went to find Psyche. When he found her, she was fast asleep. He looked at her face and was completely shocked by her beauty. At that moment, something unexpected happened. By accident, Eros pricked himself with his own arrow. He was struck by the arrow of love. And the moment he looked at Psyche, he fell in love with her. Eros, who had appeared as a child, transformed into an adult the moment he fell in love. Because of this, he couldn't bear to let Psyche marry another mortal. So, to prevent anyone from proposing to her, he dropped a magical potion onto her lips. After that, no one ever asked for her hand in marriage. Time passed. The king found it strange that no one proposed to his beautiful daughter. At last, he went to the temple of Apollo to seek guidance. The oracle declared,
"That maiden is not destined to marry a mortal. Her future husband waits upon a mountain peak. Take her there."
The king was shocked when he heard this, but Psyche was calm.
I will follow my destiny. Will you take me to the mountain mentioned in the oracle?
Curious about what happens next? I'll tell you in the next episode.